Hey gang, it's Jeff from jamesfreddys channel, and on this video we're going to weld in the floor to our 67 Penske Camaro project. So I hope you like it and check it out. Alright, now we've been clamping and moving and reclamping and trying to get everything we can do to get the floor to set right where we want it as best we can, and as you can see, we started welding in at the frame rails. So now I'm going to begin where the passenger compartment meets the trunk floor, and I'm going to come across that way. Alright, now we finished up in the back, and then we hopped up front here, went from the top of the tunnel down and over across the passenger side, and now we're going to come down and across the driver's side. I'm having a little bit of trouble in the corners at the bottom here, and I don't have a torch set up here, but I do have a MAP gas propane torch, and I'm going to give that a go. So I think I'll be able to get the metal pretty damn hot and then hit it into place. Okay, and the last little bits and pieces is to weld these cross members in that go to support the subframe connector and the seat buckets. So guys, thanks so much for tuning in and watching these shows. I appreciate it a lot, and hit the thumbs up button if you like. Next week we'll start blending all our welds back with the grinder. Like I say, blending.